Hello, this is Jay at Stikeman Chevrolet. Going to show you our 2017 Cruze Premier. It has got 11,895 miles on it. It's got a lot of nice stuff, safety stuff, lane departure alert. It's got the blind spot out there in the mirror. It's got the rear cross traffic alert. Put it in reverse if somebody's coming. It'll flash up if somebody's coming from this way. Flash on this side if somebody's coming from this way. Nice backup camera there. Show you where you're going. It's got a heated steering wheel. Awesome for this time of year. Forward collision alert. Heated seats. Rear park. Traction control. It's even got an old school phone charger there for you. You can plug your phone in to your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Gotta have your phone plugged in. Your maps will show up on there and everything, your Google Maps. Kind of nice. Fog lights. Bose stereo. Graphite metallic in color. Our local farmer just took the corn off next door to us, so it's a little dusty. RS package. Fog lights down there. Very sporty looking. Forgot to mention when I was inside. Sunroof. I'm not seeing any dents or dings. Looks like a very nice ride. Premier. The spacious and roomy trunk. There's your spare. Yep. Still no dents or dings. Does have the floor mats in it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. They're all in there. Heated rear outboard seats. Very nice option. 2017 Chevrolet Cruze Premier RS with a sunroof and navigation here at Stikeman Chevrolet in Paulding, Ohio. Come and get it.